Have you ever thought that to build a useful or money-making tool, you must have a developer by your side? Well, I'm about to prove you wrong. Today, you're going to meet an AI platform that can turn your idea into a real app in just a few clicks, without writing a single line of code. Its name is OnSpace AI. OnSpace is a new platform that allows you to build your own AI tools or AI-powered apps just by writing a few simple sentences. Do you want to create an AI text generator or maybe an image creation tool? Everything is possible even if you have no programming experience at all. And most importantly, any tool you build can be published, shared with others, or even monetized. In every video here on aiborder, 2 random viewers who leave a comment below will win a pro account of this very tool. So make sure to drop a comment, share your thoughts, or even just an emoji, because the next winner might be you. Let's jump into the video. Let me show you a real example. Suppose you want to create a simple tool that generates captions for Instagram posts. First, go to the OnSpace website. The user interface is clean and minimal. A simple dashboard where you can manage your projects. Click Get Started, then log in with your Google account or email. When you enter the main workspace, you might expect a complex environment, but it's actually very simple. This is your workspace. Before typing your idea, you need to specify whether you want it to become a mobile app or a website. For example, I'll choose to create a mobile app. Then a chat box appears where you can write your idea, for example, Instagram caption generator. The next step is choosing your backend. You have 2 options, Supabase, a powerful backend platform with database and professional authentication, or OnSpace Cloud. OnSpace's built-in serverless service that manages everything for you. For websites, you'll need to choose whether it's built with HTML or React. This choice affects your site's speed, SEO, and maintenance cost. Next, just describe clearly what you want to create, then press enter. OnSpace starts processing your request, and within seconds, your result is ready. You'll see an option called Enable AI. Turn it on, and the building process of your app or website begins. On the right side, you'll see a live preview. For example, here it's showing the login page of the app I requested. You can even test it directly through the OnSpace AI mobile app by scanning a QR code. If it's a website, you can view it live immediately. Your app's data is stored in real time, authentication is handled automatically, and APIs are ready to use. Another amazing feature is the runtime scanner. While you're building your app, OnSpace scans your code in real time. If there's a runtime error or a performance drop, it immediately notifies you and helps you fix it, like a smart debugging assistant always by your side. If you want, you can also access the code directly. By clicking Code Mode, you can view your project's code, share it via GitHub, or download the package directly from the top menu. And if you want to turn your project into a real side business, it's super simple. Just say, I want Stripe or Apple in-app purchase integrated into my app. OnSpace will take care of the entire monetization system for you. And you can watch the full step-by-step guide on their official YouTube channel. After you finish building the app, OnSpace can instantly package everything for you. You can export an App Store build for iOS or get APK and AAB files for Android without touching Xcode or Android Studio. The whole process takes just a few seconds. And the best part? You're never alone. OnSpace has a 24/7 AI support assistant that answers every question instantly. Whether you need debugging help, feature explanations, or guidance while building your app, it's really that simple. It might even take less than 5 minutes. Without any hassle, your idea turns into a real working tool. What makes OnSpace special is its unique blend of simplicity and flexibility. You can build your tool, customize its appearance, test it. Many people are already earning extra income from the tools they've built on OnSpace. OnSpace is completely free to start. It's available on both web and mobile, and there's an active community of creators sharing their projects. Any tool you build can be published in just a few clicks. In the end, I built a real working tool in just a few minutes, one that anyone can use and even turn into a source of income. Now it's your turn. The OnSpace link is right below this video. Try it, build your own tool, and maybe today is the start of your new business. See you later, my digital friend.